with what you need to know before you file.
Illinois is one of 19 states that offered inflation relief refunds for taxpayers. The IRS says they aren't certain about the taxability of those payments from last year, so they want taxpayers to hold off filing returns until the IRS offers clear instructions. And you may get a break on your return. Inflation impacted the standard deduction this year, which jumped.
The standard deduction actually has doubled in the last couple of years.
And while inflation hurt your pocketbook, it may help you this tax season.
When it comes to your tax brackets, the numbers have increased because of inflation. So someone may qualify for a lower tax bracket based off of their income. So that's a big advantage.
And if you qualify, mileage benefits have increased.
This is really for a lot of people, anyone using their cars for work, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, delivery drivers.
That's correct. That's for people who are self-employed. The commuting expenses are still not deductible, but even if you have a side gig, whether it's Lyft or Uber or just doing anything on the side, those mileage amounts are deductible.
There's also good news for educators. Expenses for teachers have increased to $300 per taxpayer. Unfortunately, not all of the tax news is good. Your refund could be smaller if you file a child tax credit.
A child tax credit, $3,600 per child, now to $2,000.
And there are fewer tax breaks for the unemployed.
We know that many people received tax breaks in the past. That's no longer the case this year. So you will have to pay the full amount of taxes on your unemployment.
But there's also another benefit when filing. Contributions to your IRA have increased to $6,000 for 2022, and you have until April 18th of this year to do it. Remember to file electronically to get your refund faster and use direct deposit. Judy, Rob, always check the account information on that direct deposit. You never know.
That's
it could be different. I do this every single year. I make sure that that number is exactly the same because I want to get my money.
Yeah, it goes right in there. Yeah,
Thanks for the information, Jason.
Coming up, catching up.